Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be shopping in BestBuy.com. So let's get started. So here's Best Buy. What you guys want to do before you search for anything, go into account and make an account. So if you don't have an account, so go ahead on the right hand side, you guys are going to see create an account. Just click there. Once you're here, it's going to ask you for this information: first name, last name, email, and password. Obviously, don't use the same password you use for your email. Just create a new password. Then down here below, click on create account. Once you do so, just go back into bestbuy.com and then keep buying. So at this point, why I suggest making an account is because if you guys need to return anything, exchange anything, all your receipts are going to be in your account. So even if you lose your physical receipt, you're going to have it there. It's also good for warranties because it's going to be a digital receipt. So that's why it's really, really important, especially for bestbuy.com, to create that account, even if you're buying something for someone else as a gift. Anyways, right here on the left hand side, you guys can go into shop and then check out what's the latest tech. Or if you guys want something really specific, such as, let's say, an external SSD, just type it up, look it up. And what I always suggest clicking up here, Best Buy only. And that's because that means it's only from Best Buy itself and not Marketplace. Marketplace means that people from other stores, they actually rent space on Best Buy's website so they can sell you stuff. So that's not good for you guys, because if you need to return something, you might not even be able to return it to Best Buy because it's by that other store. Same goes with warranties. Some stuff is just not great. So I don't suggest buying stuff from Marketplace because you're basically just buying it from anybody, not Best Buy. But anyways, let's just say you guys know what you're doing. You go into, for example, this one's sponsored. It doesn't have to be sponsored. I just see that you save 170. Makes sense from what I see right here. So just click on it. It's 4 terabytes. SSD. The price is okay-ish. I can just see my delivery pickup. Pickup's usually faster. It's free. They don't charge you for picking up stuff like Apple does, for example. And down here below, you're going to see that anything over $35, they're not going to charge you to ship it to your house. For me, for most of the stuff, 99.9% of the stuff that I bought from Best Buy has come to my house within 2 days. So I actually like getting delivered. So I'm going to choose that. I'm just going to add it to my cart. And I can change this, by the way, whether it's delivery or pick up in store. So up here, I'm going to see continue to shopping, or I can just view my cart. Once I do that, let's just say, for the sake of time, that you guys are done shopping. Go into your cart, and then from here, just make sure everything makes sense. So right here, I can see my postal code, and it's actually wrong, but it's close enough. So I can just change my postal code just to make sure that everything's okay. But on the right hand side, I should see this, other discounts. So there's my discount, shipping should be free. There's this fee that you have to pay. There's no way around that. It's 40 cents. Then your tax, and then here's your total. And yes, if you change your mind, just keep scrolling down. You guys can just remove this item, or you can just save it for later as well. I do want to mention on the right hand side, you guys have this option to continue to checkout. So you guys can use a credit card, or you can use PayPal. PayPal is really good to use. So make sure to use that if you guys want to. It's like an added protection type of thing. Not that you need it with bestbuy.com, but PayPal does add that in just in case you don't get a package. You could go through PayPal as well. And up here, I do want to mention that you guys could pick it up. The pickup is for you guys to go physically and pick it up in store. However, if you're buying something online, it's kind of useless to do that. I'd rather just have it shipped to my house where it's free anyways. So I'm going to go into checkout now. Then you're going to see this page. Just verify that all your information is right. Your address, credit card information, everything. If you scroll down, you guys are going to see this promo codes. If you have any, you can add it down here below. And then just keep scrolling down for gift cards if you have any. And then you guys will see down here below, it's going to say credit card. Just fill up your credit card information if that's what you're using to pay. Then as you keep scrolling down, you're going to see this, your total. Just make sure everything looks okay and scroll all the way down. Then from here, just press on place order. Click on place order. Then from here, you should see an email come to your mailbox, and just make sure to keep this. Take a screenshot just in case. Here's your order number, and it should tell you your order number plus your email address. Make sure that's okay. Again, the big information here that you guys need to keep is your order number just in case. But anyways, as far as this video goes, you're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.